We're in the process of working through our example of multiplying matrices. In the last video, we had the matrix A and B, and we started out by multiplying the first row times the first column, and we found the entry C11, which is 15, and that was our first entry in the matrix A times B. And now we want to do the same procedure for the other combinations of the rows and columns that we have. So next, we're still taking row 1 and we're multiplying it by the second column. So we multiply the first entry times the first entry, which is 3 times 3, plus the second entry times the second entry, 1 times -1, plus the third entry times the third entry, which is 4 times 4. And when you multiply those when you add those together, you got 9 plus -1, which is 8, plus 16, which is 24. And that is our second entry. And then we're going to do the same thing using the first row, and this time the third column. So C13 is 3 times -3, plus 1 times 2, plus 4 times 1. So we have -9 plus 2, which is -7. -7 plus 4 is -3, which is our third entry in the first row. And we'll start out by multiplying the second row times the first column, -1 times 1, plus 2 times 4, plus 3 times 2. -1 plus 8 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. And now we're ready to multiply the second row times the second column. -1 times 3, plus 2 times -1, plus 3 times 4. That's -3 plus -2 is -5. -5 plus 12 is 7. And then finally, we're ready for our last step, multiplying the second row times the third column. -1 times -3, 2 times 2, and 3 times 1. -1 times -3 is a positive 3. 3 times 4, 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. So now we have multiplied the matrices A times B, and now we have our new matrix, a 2 by 3, with entries 15, 24, -3, 13, 7, and 10.